Hello traders, welcome to my screen view. Today I will show you how to execute profitable trades through the price action trading strategy. There are lots of price action trading strategies, but I will show you one of the easiest ones to master, so you can start implementing it to increase your winning rates in the market. So what's price action all about? Price action is simply the study of past historical movements of prices on the trading chart through the highs, lows, opening, and closing. Since price action speaks through candlestick formation on the trading chart, then we need to study the most common price action candlestick formations on the trading chart. Take note, not all formations which forms on the trading chart are worthy to be traded. Therefore, I will introduce you to the most powerful price action signal bar, which is the pin bar. I will also show you how to combine the pin bar with support and resistance level on the trading chart. I believe you're not new to the Japanese candlestick. Also, you're familiar with the single candle formation called the pin bar. This bar can exist in two ways, which are as a hammer or bullish pin bar, which is for bullish anticipation. As an inverted hammer or shooting star, it can also be referred to as the bearish pin bar. This is used for bearish anticipation. The candlestick formation has three parts, which are the tail, the head, and the nose, but sometimes there may not be presence of the nose. Take note, the color of the candlestick does not matter. As a beginner, stick to trading this candlestick in direction of the trend. Once you master the art for trend following setups, then you can proceed further to apply it for reversal of a trend. Take note, for a pin bar to be regarded as a reliable one, the tail must be at least 2 times the total size of the head. The longer the tail, the more powerful the bar. To utilize this candlestick for trend continuation, we have to look out for a strong bullish trend or bearish trend. As we can see in this trend, the market is a bullish trend. To implement the bullish pin bar for buy setup in this trend, we have to watch out for a bearish pullback of price. At this level here, we can see the formation of the bullish pin bar led into a more bullish rally. This bullish pin bar formed after a bearish pullback in the strong bullish rally. We can see this pin bar reacted at a key level structure, which was a former resistance for price here. Now this level acted as support for the bullish pin bar. This is a well-defined example of how to implement the bullish pin bar price action trading strategy. We can see how this bar rejected price into a more bullish phase. Don't just buy any bullish pin bar that forms on the trading chart. Make sure they form and react to support levels on the trading chart. Same applies to the bearish pin bar for the continuation of a bearish trend. As we can see in this bearish trend, we can see there was a bullish pullback here in this bearish trend. And price later carved the bearish pin bar. The formation of this bearish pin bar occurs at the last support level here. We can see this level of rejected price, thereby resulting in the formation of a bearish pin bar. This is the type of bearish pin bar you should implement for a bearish anticipation for the continuation of an existing bearish trend. We can see how the trend proceeds further into a more bearish rally. You can see the tail of the bearish pin bar is longer than the size of the total body and nose. This is how to utilize the pin bar price action trading strategy for the continuation of a trend. In the next video, I will show you how to apply it for the reversal of trends. So make sure you master the continuation strategy properly before proceeding to the next video on how to trade reversal with the pin bar price action trading strategy. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.